Okay friends, this time we will try to solve a problem on a 3-phase diesel generator using the Smartgen controller. The problem is, the engine can only start for a while and then turns off again. And the gen's under voltage alarm appears on the display.
Hello friend, welcome back to the Alfati Technique channel with me Tony Africo. How are you today? Hope you alright. Okay friend, in this video we will discuss how to troubleshooting a generator under voltage alarm in shutdown. Today we have a case on 3-phase generator that use a Smartgen display controller, where the engine can only live briefly and die again, and low voltage alarm appears on the display. I will share 2 videos with same case but a different problem for you. For the video part 1, problem is generator under voltage alarm caused by automatic fault regulator. For the video part 2, problem is generator under voltage alarm caused by sensing lost power connection. Okay friend, welcome in this channel. Come on, we learn together for the Alon Technique Award. Don't forget to support this channel with like, subscribe, and comment. If this video useful, please share to other friends. Okay friend, let's go to video.
Okay guys, this is video part 1. Here I will describe the steps for making adjustments to an automatic volt regulator to overcome the generator set under voltage alarm problem. Come on, my friends, turn on the engine to make sure what the problem is. During normal conditions, if the engine RPM has reached 1500 and the frequency is 50 Hz, then the reading on phase to neutral should read 220 volts and phase to phase read 380 volts. We can see here that the engine RPM has reached 1500 and the frequency is 50 Hz. But the voltage that is read from phase to neutral is sometimes only around 181 volts and phase to phase is only around 332 volts. Because at the default setting the permitted low voltage is 196 volts, the controller turns off the engine by disconnecting the fuel relay. This is what causes the engine to stop. And the generator under voltage alarm indicator appears on the display controller. Okay guys, that's the problem. To be solved that we have to make adjustments to the automatic voltage regulator that is installed on the generator body to make the appropriate voltage. The generator that we are repairing at this time uses a voltage regulator of the say 350 type. Later we will make adjustments to the voltage adjuster trim pop point. What are the steps for adjusting this automatic voltage regulator? Please check this video previously. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing and commenting. If this video is useful, please share it with your friends. Okay friends, for the first step, for the time being we have to lower the default settings in the under voltage alarm configuration so that the controller does not protect the engine from turning off when we make adjustments. For that, next we enter into the setup parameter menu, then enter the 4-digit password. Press up and down button to move or change. Press enter to input, and press home to return. Then look for the gens under voltage alarm settings menu. Here the settings have been changed to 190 volts. To make adjustments to the AVR settings, while we lower them first to 100 volts. Which is no less important. Before making adjustments, we must make sure the main breaker on this generator is off. After that, we can restart the engine to make adjustments to the automatic voltage regulator safely. Just to make sure that the controller doesn't turn off the engine again, we wait a few moments before making adjustments to the automatic volt regulator. Okay, friends, we can see on the screen that the engine is still running normally, even though the voltage has dropped to almost 160 volts. Which means, we can make adjustments to the automatic voltage regulator to determine the right voltage to operate on this generator. Okay guys, let's do it. Make adjustments slowly to the voltage adjust trim pop points on the automatic volt regulator while monitoring the display to get the voltage that should be 220 for line to neutral and 380 for line to line. After making adjustments to the AVR, we can see here that the voltage readings on the parameters have been read very well. And that means we have solved the problem with this generator. After this process is complete, don't forget to return the generator setting under voltage alarm to the parameter to 196 volts again. Please also watch video part 2, because there I explain how solve the generator under voltage alarm, which is caused by loose power sensing. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support this channel by liking, subscribing and commenting. Please share with your friends, if this video is useful. Please activate the bell to get notifications for my next video.